It's time for some maintenance here at the DripWorks garden. Marco is going to replace the rotting wood in one of our garden beds. These beds are held together by stacking joints in each corner, making this a pretty quick and easy process. First, start by taking the screws out of each side. Once you have all of the screws removed, it's time to simply pull the old boards out. Here Marco is taking apart the stacking joints so you can see how easy it is to assemble or unassemble one. Here at DripWorks, we carry a wide variety of products to make your garden flourish, and we use the stacking joints for all of our wooden garden beds. After you remove the old wooden boards, simply place the new board between the stacking joints, and then screw them in place. And there you have it, as good as new. Find the stacking joints and other helpful gardening must-haves at DripWorks.com.